In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a HubSpot website in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to get your site up and running quickly and efficiently. So let's jump right in. First, go to the HubSpot website on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the login button. Give that a click to proceed. This will bring you to the sign-in page where you have several options to log in. For this tutorial, we'll use the Sign In with Google option, which makes the process faster, especially if you already use Google services like Gmail. Go ahead and select Sign In with Google and choose the Google account you'd like to use. This will connect your Google account with HubSpot and take you directly to your HubSpot dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll spot a variety of options, but for now, focus your attention on the Content option. Clicking on Content will open up a list of features you can work with. Next, find and click on Website Pages. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the area where you can create, manage, and edit pages for your website. Look for the Create button. It should be quite visible on your screen. Click it to start building your website from scratch. With HubSpot, one of the advantages is a slew of templates to choose from. Once you click Create, you'll be prompted to select a template that suits your style and needs. Take your time to browse through the available options. Choose a design that best aligns with your vision for the website, because this will form the skeleton of your page. Now that you have your template, it's time to add specific elements to your site. You can customize the template to your heart's content, add images, text boxes, and other modules that will make your website unique and engaging. This is your chance to experiment and see what works best. Don't forget to type in the page title. Look to the top right corner, and you'll see a field where you can enter your desired title. This is crucial for SEO and helps identify your page within your dashboard later. Finally, you've made it to the last step. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Publish button. It's located at the top right corner, just above where you added the title. Clicking Publish will make your website live for the world to see. And there you have it, your very own HubSpot website, ready in just a few minutes. Building a website might seem like a daunting task, but with a handy tool like HubSpot, it becomes intuitive and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you next time.